Today is Wednesday, May 28th, and today I learned that sometimes you need to check yourself and think about whether you are being a consistent human all around. Whether you are being consistent throughout all the areas of your life, in your character and what you say you're going to do and what you actually do, things like that, right? Because I have found that I am not as consistent of a person as I realized, I guess. I think I say a lot of, like, even on these videos, I say a lot of stuff and then I don't actually do it myself, right? I say I want to try to do something and then I don't actually do it. I think as a Christian, right, are you the same person at church as you are like wherever else, right? I think just like the Bible talks a lot about the dangers and the sin of being a hypocrite, right? And saying one thing and doing another, right? Saying you love God and then acting in a way that shows you don't, right? And I'm not just talking about like spiritual things. I'm also talking just about in general. Like, are you saying one thing and doing another, right? And I think that's just a really important thing to check yourself on, because I think I've kind of been slipping into that, and it's not good. It's not good to do that. And you should, if you're gonna say something, if you're gonna say you're gonna do something, actually do it. Fulfill that, obligation, I guess. And if, in terms of like spiritual stuff, if you say you love God or you say that you whatever, then actually do it. Actually live it out, because saying is one thing but doing is another, right? Our words can mean a lot, but they can also mean very little. And we have to be careful with what we just have to be careful with being consistent throughout our lives. And that's hard. But, it's important. I guess your action point, it's just important to examine yourself and see if you're being consistent throughout your life. And if you realize, oh, I'm actually not being consistent throughout my life, I'm saying one thing and doing another, then either don't say anything or if it's something that you really want to make a change in your life, then actually do it. And you know how to make a change in your life, right? If you say, okay, I'm gonna get my life together, then actually get your life together. And it's very simple to do that. I'll tell you right now, just set some goals, make a system for those goals, and then just execute on those goals. Figure out the why, what, how of your system. So that is what I learned today. I'm almost done. I'm almost at day 300 of posting these videos, right? These what I learned today videos. So I'll talk in the next video about what my plan is. I don't really have a plan, but I'll talk about that in tomorrow's video. So if you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.